Mumemba wa mbondi ya kamiti ya uthii wa nambere guku bururi-ini wa Tani augite wagi wa watho murumu wigie ciana iria ciururaga barabara-ini niguo utumite family ici kuma mabururi ma nanja kuingiha guku bururi-ini na oho ugacungiriria thuguri ya wendia na uguri wa ciana.
People on the streets are living very deplorable lives. They are human beings, must be taken care of. They must have come from somewhere, must be traced.
Akiaria ari na ikuru ya Tani augite ona thengia wa family icio kunyitwo na gucokio mabururi maria maumite macokaga magetha njira cia gucoka guku bururi-ini riu akienda watho mweru ukorwo ugithondekwo.
I'm sure during this time of corona, chances are that they have increased on the streets. And even what can be done for street families must be through the law, must be done within the law. And that's why we feel we must come up with a legislation.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa ndari guku bururi-ini, Kenya yandikithirie family makiria ma 46,000 mwaka muhituku, gukirikana aingi a family ici makoragwo maumite mabururi turigainie ari ni hamwe na Uganda na Tanzania.
The intervention is the development of the policy, and therefore we are sharing the draft policy on how we shall be able to get free of street families in this country.
Gukiri uguo ya Tani augite watho uria urathondekwo ugukorwo ugibacirira ihoto cia ciana, akiuga ona no metherwo gwa guikara mbere ya guthuthuria kihumo gia kuria o mundu aumite kuhitukira watho.
This policy addresses this to see how now the bordering countries can be able to work on this policy document so that we be able to avert this crisis. Because at the end of the day, we want to see streets free of any street family, be it from within the country or from outside the country.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.